Most luxury hotels don't fail because they lack emotion. They fail because emotion was never turned into a system. Revenue may hold, occupancy may look stable, the brand may still feel strong, and yet, pricing power is already eroding. This is not a guest problem. It is a capital problem. Guests are remarkably consistent in what they want. Not another luxury hotel, but a feeling, recognition, meaning, a story they cannot easily replace. Without that, premium pricing collapses. Loyalty weakens. Brand defensibility disappears. This is the psychological truth of demand. And most hotels understand this part very well. Where things break is not on the guest side. They break on the capital side. In acquisition and ownership discussions, capital never asks, is the hotel emotional? Is the experience beautiful? Is the brand inspiring? Capital asks something far more uncomfortable. Capital asks, is the experience repeatable? Does it depend on one GM, one founder, one personality? Can it be stabilized, not just celebrated? Does it survive a bad year? Can the next owner inherit it without starting from zero? Capital does not reject emotion. Capital rejects fragile emotion. On paper, many iconic hotels say, we are experiential. We are unique. We are unforgettable. In reality, the experience lives in a few people. The GM leaves, and the magic fades. Budgets tighten, rituals disappear. Ownership changes, the story resets. Premium pricing doesn't collapse because guests stop caring. It collapses because emotion was improvised, not engineered. In advisory work, the real question is never, is the experience strong? The real question is, how does this emotion translate into IDR, RevPAR, and ultimately, exit multiple? If that answer is unclear, emotion is not an asset. It is a liability. This is why my work with hotels is never about making them more emotional. It is about determining whether emotional value is structurally embedded, financially defendable, transferable across leadership and ownership cycles. Luxury without system is theater. Luxury with system becomes pricing power. And that distinction is where capital either overpays or walks away.